Thanks to United Airlines, people around the world are having nightmares about being knocked the fuck out and dragged out of a plane by the cops. No one wants to be in this position, no one wants to be dragged with your fucking guts hanging out, so here's some simple defensive techniques you can use for when this happens to you. You can throw your legs up, spin around and boot the policeman in the face. Of course, after doing this, he may pull his gun on you, so you'll have to improvise what happens next. If you don't want to break his nose, you can choose to wrap your legs around him and just send him to sleep. If he's not a fat fuck, you can lift him with your legs and toss him on his back. Remember, he has that pesky gun, so don't turn your back on him. You can do a 180 followed by a trip. This is quiet, playful, and it shouldn't get you shot. Nonetheless, do proceed to your nearest emergency exit. Once you get to expert level, you can add twists and spins and even break his leg. You would have to take a bullet to the head though. Finally, this is my favourite. Get back on your feet, a good old-fashioned headlock, and put him to sleep in a spare seat. This is assuming the flight isn't overbooked and a spare seat is available. If so, then absolutely go for it and proceed to your nearest emergency exit.